What is going on, guys? It's your boy Midas, and today I'm going to show you guys 5 of my my favorite core activating stretches or workouts that you can do before every ab session. If you're looking for some challenging workouts to do for your core, for your abs, make sure to check out any of the videos on my channel. I've got a bunch of 5-minute challenges, other core exercises you can do that to challenge your core, help you build that six-pack you're looking for. You know what, this video is about warming up, so let's get right to it. Those are, my go-to exercises for warming up my core before I do, or engage my core in any strenuous, activity. You could also do this as a workout by itself. You do all 5 of them, you should be good to go as well. It's usually good if you just pick about 2 or 3 of these and, use them as a warm-up exercise for an actual workout. If you made it to this point of the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe if you're new to the channel. If you're looking for a video on, 20 stretches you can do for your entire body, make sure to check out the video on the screen right now. And I'll catch you in the next one. Midas is out.